Today we are giving you a complete introduction to charcoal drawing, perfect for beginners looking to start strong with this versatile medium. Let's begin with the tools you need. On the table here, we've laid out everything required for our foundational charcoal sessions. You need textured paper. We recommend Arches watercolor paper, which we'll be using in this demo. To sharpen your charcoal, you need a sheet of sandpaper. And of course, a kneadable eraser. When it comes to charcoal, we use Nitram charcoal in its full range: B+, B, HB, and H. In the Academy, we primarily work with Arches and Fabriano papers. Both are archival quality and ideal for charcoal work. For this introduction, we'll be using Arches. One important tip: Arches paper has two distinct sides. Always make sure you're working on the correct side, the slightly less textured one. Sharpening charcoal correctly makes a huge difference. We start by sanding each side evenly. This creates a balanced, long taper. Once the general shape is in place, we use a rotating motion to smooth the edges and bring the charcoal to a fine point. Each type of Nitram charcoal behaves differently. H is harder, ideal for light tones and thin, precise lines. HB sits right in the middle for halftones. B is soft but allows more control than B+. B+ is extremely soft and great for shading big areas of dark values. Here we're using the soft charcoal B to darken the shadows in the cheekbone area. In this case, we're using the intermediate HB charcoal to slightly darken the halftone areas of the forehead. Here we're using the hard charcoal H to apply the lightest halftones on the nose area. Here you can see we're using the B+ yellow charcoal to quickly and simply darken the background.